Good morning, honey bunny. You guys are so cute. Do the kissy. See if he'll do it. See if she'll smile. She loves taking her time. Look at her tongue. And she's cute. Honey Bear is enjoying her some cartoons. Look at you, so cute.
Yeah, I think I'll be working 4 to 11 now.
Because you were supposed to be 5:30 to 11? Big girl. Hi, Biggie. Oh, really? Are you going to tell me all about it? You getting your toy?
But hurry, with
Are you getting it?
off, this deal won't last long.
Are you getting
I'm on course, your dealer for the people. See all the rides.
So the oil needs changed in the Jeep. Don't mind my hair, it's a disaster today. So the oil needs changed in the Jeep and in the car. So we brought the Jeep up here, we're dropping it off. Over there. Josh is over there telling them what like oil we need and stuff. So we're dropping it off, and then when we come back to pick it up, we'll drop the car off and take it home. So that way, take the Jeep home is what I mean. Like drop the car off, take the Jeep home, and then come back and pick up the car. So they can both get changed because it's needed done for a while. What are you doing? Hi. There's a mirror in this and she keeps looking at herself. It's so cute. Look at my buggy bear just hanging out outside with mommy while mommy does the laundry. See? What, Biggie? She's ready to go in. We took down that and put all this up. This will show you something super cute right quick. Look at her little socks drying. Isn't it cute? Look. My Biggie helping mommy do laundry. She loves having her feet up on me. I'm in my swimsuit, y'all. I promise I'm not just in my panties. CBBB. Yeah. Check out her latch. It is freaking great. I'm so glad she latches so good. Biggie. So little Munchkin and I are getting ready to go to my parents' house, but she's pooping right now. So I'm gonna let her finish pooping before I put her in her seat, because I don't want to put her in there with poop up her butt. But she's not done yet, huh? We're just having a rough day though, huh, aren't we? She's teething. I'm like 99.9% sure she's teething. So, she's just having a rough day, huh? You're a big girl.
Look at the water dragon, Joe.
We are home and we're still grumpy a little, huh? You're gonna be grumpy. Oh no, is you not being comfy? You're being happy now? Oh, you're gonna roll over? Come on, show us. Roll over. Come on, you almost got it. Meh. Watch this, guys. Oh, she did move her head earlier. Look, see? Ah, stupid flies. She's like, what the heck? She did get this arm out from under her just a minute ago. Of course, when I wasn't recording. My cats keep trying to get the flies. No. My mom got her a new toy. My stepmom did. It's like these little guys that go on your feet. Little ones that go on your wrist, which I think I have them on the wrong wrist. No, I don't. I just have this one on backwards. There we go. Now I fixed him. What are you doing? Look at your feet. Ready? She's not quite good enough to grab her own feet yet. Look at those feet. Look. I just wanted to show her it right quick because we just got it. We just brought it home. And then it came with these little things too. And then she got her this one too. It crinkles because she loves the crinkly toys, and then it's got chewies because she's teething. New toys. Mwah. 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 Ooh, fly. Say, ooh, fly. You gotta lift your feet up. Ooh, ooh. Here, look. 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 Get your feeties. All those toys to play with, and she's chewing on her hands. Honey bear, look. Look. What are you doing? You just chewing on that one? Look at your feet. Meow, 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 meow. 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 Mwah. 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 Say thank you, Grandma. Say thank you for all the toys. Yeah. Mwah. Mwah, 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 mwah. Mwah. Mwah, 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 mwah. Really? Are you so happy? Are you happy about your toys? Yeah. Hey, good looking. Are you ready for bathing? Hi, you wanna go take a bath? Well, let's go. And bath time, and you already got bubbles on your mouth. What are you doing? What are you doing? My big old blue-eyed baby? Yeah, you so pretty. You pretty, pretty baby. Aren't you? Yeah. You know you're so pretty. Yeah. What are you doing? Are you enjoying having bubbles all over? Are you trying to chew on your hand? That's gonna not taste very good. It's not gonna taste very good. I'm telling you. Yeah, you're okay. She got bubbles all over her face. It's so funny. We out of the bath. Jo, you wanted a bath? Did you have a good bath? Was it good? Now I got her all bundled up. Their little burrito. You look like a little burrito. My baby burrito. She's mad, but I just wanted to take a picture. And she's out. You can't see her. Hey y'all. So it is after midnight now. It's 12:07. So she must want to go outside. Hold on a second, bub. I'm doing the dishes right quick since Amara's asleep. CPBB. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to get the dishes all the way done. I got some done. I'm gonna try to get the rest done. And I'm gonna go take him outside right quick. And then I'm gonna go to bed. So we hope y'all enjoyed today's vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And when you subscribe, make sure you turn on your post notifications so you know when we post the videos. And check out our social media accounts. And we'll talk to y'all tomorrow in our next daily vlog. Good night, y'all. Good night.